In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all trash in Notion at once. By the end, you'll know the standard way to permanently remove items and how to speed things up with a simple browser add-on. Start by opening your browser and going to notion.com. On the home page, click Login. If you typically sign in with Google, choose the Google option, then select your account to continue. Once you're in, make sure you're in the workspace you want to clean up, especially if you have access to more than one. Next, open your sidebar and find the Trash section. This is where Notion stores pages and databases you've previously deleted. Click Trash to view everything queued for permanent removal. To delete an item for good, hover over it, click the trash icon, and then click Delete Page to confirm. Keep in mind, this is permanent. Once you confirm, that content can't be restored. If you only have a few items, repeating this process a handful of times is fine. But if your trash is packed with dozens or hundreds of pages, doing it manually can take a while. That's where a browser extension can help. Open a new tab and head to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Notion Bulk Trash Delete. Look for an extension that's specifically designed to clear Notion's trash in bulk. Click Add Extension and confirm the prompt. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to quickly review the extension's details and permissions so you're comfortable with how it works. Third-party tools can save time, but you should always make sure you trust what you install. Now switch back to your Notion tab. With the extension added, use it to process your trash. Follow the on-screen prompts from the extension to initiate the bulk delete. In most cases, it will scan your trash and handle the confirmations for you, clearing everything at once. Depending on how much is in your trash, this may take a moment, but it's still much faster than deleting each item individually. When the extension finishes, refresh your view of trash to confirm it's empty. That's it, your workspace is now tidier, and you've saved a lot of clicking. As a final reminder, permanent deletion can't be undone, so double check there's nothing you still need before you run the bulk action. Thanks for watching. If this helped you clean up your Notion quickly, feel free to follow along for more practical workflow tips.